What's up guys, it's me Gmail. So what are the sound setting on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 or Tab S4 running with Android 8 Oreo? Go to the setting. Once you are at the setting, go to the sound and vibration, the second tab, and then from here you can manage all of the sound. Vibration mode, I turn it on volume. As you can see, for the notification is off. I make the notification volume off. Touch sound, even you can go to sound quality effect. Here you can turn on the equalizer. You can change whatever you want. It's up to you, to be honest with you. Again, go to the basic, advanced. However I want, I can make it play around. Yeah, here all of the setting. Adapt sound, default, I'm under 30 years old. Yeah, add a personal profile, and then yeah, bye Nara. That's simple. It was me, Gmail. Subscribe and bye.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي